Okay, so we are moving to the next part of the trigonometry. Before that, I will just want to have a review once again on the concept that we have discussed. With respect to a right angle triangle, we have defined trigonometric ratios as follows. What are they? First one was sine of an angle, A be an acute angle in the right angle triangle. Of course, in the right angle triangle, the other two angles are acute. Sine A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tangent of A, tan A, is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. And the reverse, the reciprocal, cot A is equal to adjacent side by O. That is basically we were taking the ratio, all possible combination. Sec A is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side, and cosec A is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. These were the initial 6 trigonometric ratios, and based on this comparison, we already when we discussed that cosec A is nothing but 1 by sin A, or sin A is equal to, they are reciprocal of each other. Similarly, secant A is equal to 1 by cos A, and cot A is equal to 1 by tan A, or reverse, tan A is equal to 1 by cot A, and so on. We have done one more thing. What is that? Also, we know that tan A is sin A by cos A. It's very important. Similarly, cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. These are the things that we have discussed. And one more thing we discussed, that is sin A whole square, or any trigonometric whole square, same is also written as sin square A. It's not, the meaning is not sin A whole square. No, it is not. It is sin square A. For example, sin A is 3 by 5, then sin square A is nothing but sin A the whole square, that is 3 by 5 the whole square. This is what we have discussed. Now we are going to learn the trigonometric ratios of certain particular angles. Trigonometric ratios of particular angles. We just take few fixed angles and then we find out the value. Okay, now first let us consider an isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle, that will be better. An equilateral triangle ABC. Consider an equilateral triangle ABC, each angle being 60. Let AD is perpendicular to BC. I am drawing a perpendicular. Equilateral triangle of side, how much we can take? Side, anything, 1 unit, 2 unit. I will take 2 units because there is a reason I am taking 2 units that you will come to know. Okay, 2 units. So that means this is 2 units, this is 2 units, this is 1 each. If I have taken 1 there, I will be getting 1 by half there. Okay, 1 by 2. So in order to avoid fractions, I took 2. So how much is this angle? Angle A is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle ADC is equal to 30 degree, and angle C is equal to 60 degree. This will be equal to, this angle will be equal to 30 degree. So in triangle ADC, this is 30, this is 60, this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, so As far as A is concerned, opposite side is DC, adjacent side is AD, and hypotenuse is 2. Now, how can I find in triangle ADC, AD is equal to, using Pythagoras theorem, AC square minus DC square, that is equal to 2 square minus 1 square, that is equal to root 3. So, this height is equal to root 3, this height is root 3. Now, I am going to find the trigonometric ratios of angle A, which is equal to 30 degree, which is equal to 30 degree. Okay, so that is sine of A, opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite side by hypotenuse, that is equal to 1 divided by 2, or sine implies, this implies that sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. That is what we have done is we are finding the trigonometric ratio of certain particular angle. First one I took is 30, next I will be getting 60. Okay, cosine of A, cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side for this angle? That is AD, that is root 3 divided by hypotenuse is 2. 2 implies that cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. If I get these two, I can find the remaining. What is sine by cos? That is tan. Anyway, we will find tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. What is opposite side? That is equal to 1 divided by root 3, implies tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Similarly, cot A, that is equal to reciprocal 1 by tan A, that is equal to root 3 by 1, implies that cot 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 1. Now, secant 30 degree is the reciprocal of cos, that is equal to 2 by root 3, and cosecant 30 is equal to 2 by 1, or is equal to 2. So, if we learn these two, the remaining can be brought on their own, because what is sine by cos? Sine divided by cos is tan. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 cancels, 1 by root 3 you get. So, this is the trigonometric ratio of 30 degree. You will come to, we will make a table of all these things. So, please make a note of this in the notebook, on your notebook, then we will consolidate it. Now, trigonometric ratio of angle C, that is equal to 60 degree. I will copy this figure so that trigonometric ratio of angle C. Okay, what is sine C? Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is that? As far as C is concerned, root 3 by 2, implies that sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Now, cos C, that is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, cos 1 by 2, implies cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. We have seen that somewhere, that 1 by 2, see sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, 60 degrees. Obviously, it is understood. Tan C, that is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, root 3 by 1, implies tan 60 is equal to, implies okay, root 3 by 1 implies tan 60 is equal to root 3. We have seen that root 3 somewhere. Look at that, cot 30 root 3. So there are a lot of values coming across. We will see that. It's very easy to learn. You should by heart it. Similarly, secant of, now cot C. Cot C is equal to root 3 1 by root 3, implies that cot 60 is equal to 1 by root 3. Secant C is equal to what? Or directly we can write secant 60 is equal to 1 by cos, that is equal to 2 by 1, and cosecant 60 degree is equal to reciprocal of this 2 by root 3. So this is the, make a note of these things. We will consolidate that after. So we have 30, 60. Now we are going for another triangle. Consider a right angle triangle, isosceles triangle, A, B, C. Trigonometric ratio of angle A, which is equal to 45 degree. That is possible. Consider right angle isosceles, right angled isosceles triangle ABC. Right angle isosceles, so you can take it as 1 and 1 or 1 and 1. I'll take 1 and 1 isosceles. These two angles are equal. So this is 90 degree. The other two will be each what? 45, 45. I'll take a right angle isosceles, so 1 and 1 unit. So how can I take this as AC is equal to root of 1 square plus 1 square, that is equal to root 2. So now we'll find 1 by 1. Sin A is equal to, without I'm not going to deliberate, now we will be coming directly opposite side by, what is opposite? 1 divided by hypotenuse, that is implies sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Now cos 45 degree, first one is sin, second one is cos. Adjacent side, look at the adjacent side and tell 1 by root 2, both of them are same. Now tan 45, tan is opposite side by adjacent side, 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. Okay, so now cot 45, that is equal to again adjacent side by opposite side, or a reciprocal of tan. What is that? 1. Secant 45, reciprocal of cos, and cosecant is the reciprocal of what? Sine. So what? Sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cosec 45 is equal to root 2. So these are the values that we have done. Now we can just make a table. Table is there readily. I'm just drawing for you know, okay, I'm just writing certain angles here. I'll put 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. Then we will write the values sin A. Then we will consolidate, and then I'll tell you how to cos. Then tan. I am not writing A, tan of this angle, or we can write angle A here. Tan, sin of A, cos of A, tan of A. A varies this angle. There are two more measurements, that's why I kept it blank. Cot of A, secant of A, and of course the last one, cosecant of A. We have a very good table. I'm just drawing it, so you know it doesn't looks good. Secant, cosecant A. So sin A, it's 1 by 2. We have seen that. We have those values here. Sin values, all the values for 30 degree, 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, and all. You have all of you have written it, so I'm just writing it. Root 3 by 2. Now tan A is sin A by cos A, so 1 by root 3. So this is root 3. Sec is the reciprocal of cos, So 2 by root 3, and cosec is the reciprocal of sine, so 2 by 1. Then as far as this concerned, sine 45 1 by root 2, cos, let us see all the values. 45, sine 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 is also 1 by root 2, and the values come. And tan, you can see that it will be 1, tan 45 is 1, cot 45 1, secant is reciprocal of cos, therefore it is root 2, and the other one is also root 2. Sine 60, when you look at it, you can say it will be 3 root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, and this is root 3, 1 by root 3, and 2, that is the reciprocal of cos. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine, so 2 by root 3. So when now you might be asking a question, oh my god, we have a lot of things to learn, how do we learn? It's very simple to learn. Okay, this column same as this column, this column same as this, this, these two are equal. In short, sine 30 is same as cos 60, both of them 1 by 2. Similarly, tan 30 is degree same as cot 60 degree. We will generalize it 1 by root 3 and so on. So this is the basic table. Now we will be adding few more values of 0 and 90. Let us see what happens. What is sine 0? Is it possible to have an angle 0? So consider a triangle. Let us consider a triangle. Let us consider a triangle A, B, C. This angle is theta, not 0. Theta. Suppose this is becoming 0. This angle is, if angle A is equal to 0 degree, not theta, 0 degree. When is it 0? It's 0 means it becomes, it's becoming so small. So small means what happens? If angle A is equal to 0, then what is the height of that BC? C will be coming slow down, and if it is 0, BC is equal to 0. And this line will be almost here. That means the height will be 0. Am I right or not? The height, the angle is 0. Height is 0, BC is 0. And what happens? AB and AC will coincide, C will coincide with B. So AB is equal to AC. Okay, what is sine of 0? Sine of 0 is opposite side. What is that opposite side? BC by the hypotenuse. What BC is AC. Hypotenuse is AC. But what happens to that BC? BC is actually what? 0. So sine 0 is 0 by AC. AC means any value, it will be 0 by 0, 0 by anything, it is 0. So sine 0 is equal to 0. Okay, now what is cos 0? Let us find cos 0. What happens then? AB, that is the adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? AB. What happens to the hypotenuse when angle A is equal to 0? AB is equal to AC, both of them same. So actually it is AC, but both of them are same. So what happens? Cos 0 is equal to 1. Now tan is equal to sine by cos. Sine by cos. The third line is obtained, third row is obtained by dividing first one by second one. Look at these two. Look at these two. Look at these. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, you got 1. So here 0 by 1, it is 0. Cot A is cos A divided by sin A. So cot 0 is equal to cos 0 by sin 0. What is cos 0? Cos 0 is 1. 1 by 0. Division by 0. Not defined. Not defined. Because 1 by 0 is not defined. Not defined. Secant A, reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal 1 by this, 1 by 1. What is that? 1 by 1, 1. Reciprocal of this, that is 1 by cosec 0. Cosec 0, that is 1 by sin 0, that is 1 by 0. Again, not defined. Not defined. These two are not defined. And D, not defined. Okay, now what is left over is cos 90, sin 90, the value is 90. These are the values that we need to learn, we need to by heart. Sin 90, finding is very simple. If we want to an angle to be 90 degree, this angle to be 90 degree, A is to be 90 degree. If I bring this A over here, look at that, A is coming close. As it comes close, what is that? And it's become 90. If angle A is equal to 90 degree, A is equal to 90 degree, then what happens? This distance AB is equal to 0 and AC is equal to BC. This distance will become very small, so small or become nil, that distance AB will become 0 and BC will be same as this. So now let us find out one by one. Sine of angle A or sine of 90, sine of 90 opposite side, which is the opposite side, BC by AC. BC, AC are same. So BC by BC, that is equal to 1. Sine 90 is equal to 1. Just like this, can you see that these two are 30 and 60 are coming same. 1 came over here. So look at that. So what is this value? Well, let us see. Let us see that. Now we will go for cos 90. Cos 90 means adjacent side. As far as angle is adjacent side means what? AB by hypotenuse AC. What is AB? That distance is equal to 0. So cos 90 is 0. Can you see that? That's coming from there. Again 0 1, so 1 1 0 0. Just like this will come over here. Anyway, tan is sine by cos, 1 by 0, not defined. Look at that. Now here it will be 0. Again secant of secant of A, these two are overlapping. See, look at that. 0 goes there, 9 goes there, and not defined goes there. This comes here. Now next thing, this will go there and that will, let us see, sec is 1 by cos, 1 by 0, not defined, and cosec is 1 by sin, that is 1. Look at that, these two going each other. So it's very easy to learn the table. Okay, so this table should be by hearted. I'll show this is given in your printed notebook. Printed note is given there. Look at that. Sin 30 0, 1 by 2. It's very, what you need to learn is this 1 by 2. What you need to learn is this, only this 1 by 2. One by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 0 and 1. This will go here, this will go here, this will come here, this will come here. These are one and the same. Now tan is sine by, once you learn this line, this row alone, it's enough. This row is alone is enough to bring the entire table, to construct the entire table. So from there, okay, this will go here, this value will come here, right? These will go here, these two, 30 and 60, 30 and 60, 30 and 60. Where is that? This is an error here. 2 by root 3, 30 and 60, because cot is the reciprocal of, oh, this is cot. Okay, they have written in a different way. That is given in a different pattern. Sine, cos, tan and cot. This is to be, so this has to be rearranged. If you rearrange in this form, you can just cross check. So sine and cos, we can compare these. Sine and cos, these two goes here, this comes here, this comes, these two are same. Tan and cot, tan comes here, this goes here, tan and cot, right? Cosec and sec, look at that, cosec and sec. So they, and so this is very easy to construct this table. You have to learn all of them by heart, but in learning sine and cos is enough. You can bring the remaining. So don't be worried about it. You can learn how, as we write again and again, start using it, we will learn automatically. Maybe by next month, after doing few questions, it will be, you will learn on your own. It comes because we often, once we start using it, it will be, you will be thorough with that. So what are the values that we need to know? Sine 30. So just let us close this. Let us close this and okay, proceed with this. So what is sine 30? I'll write one by few values. So it is easy to sine 0, 0, sine 30, 1 by 2, sine 45, 1 by root 2, sine 60, root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. From this you can bring out all the remaining. Cos 0, you bring it from here 1, cos 30, bring it from here root 3 by 2, cos 60 from here 1 by 2, and so you bring it 1 by 1. Now what about tan? Tan is sine divided by cos, and it goes like that. So this is the basic structure of, the table that we need to by heart. Okay, now we are going to do few questions based on this. Let us take few questions. The first question is, in right triangle ABC, question number 8.2, 8.2, question number 1. In right triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, right angled at C, angle B is equal to 60 degree and AB equal to 15 degrees, 15 units. Find the remaining angles and sides. So we have to find all the remaining sides. So there is a right angle triangle. Right angle at which point? Right angle at C. There is a right triangle, right angle at C. A, we'll take it as A, C and B. Convenient to write. Here it is 60 degree. AB is equal to 15 units. Find all the remaining angles, remaining side. This is 90. In triangle ABC angle sum property, we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So from that angle A, you can find out angle A is equal to 180 minus angle B plus angle C. So we'll be getting 30. This will be 30. So we got all the angles. We find the remaining sides. How do we find the remaining side? This is a very important concept that we'll be using throughout in this chapter. Let us find this side or this side. We'll start with this side AC. As far as B is concerned, as far as angle B is concerned, which side is AC? AC is nothing but opposite side. Opposite side alle? Ade. Opposite side. It's opposite side. Opposite side. So what? So I am asking myself a question. Is there any trigonometric ratio connecting B, opposite side and hypotenuse? Which is that? As far as B is concerned, opposite side. So I'll take sine B. Sine of angle B, I'm not writing angle. Sine B is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Sine B, that is B is given, sine 60 is equal to opposite side. What is opposite side? AC divided by hypotenuse 15. We have to find AC. Therefore, this implies that 15 into sine 60 is equal to AC. Cross multiply. What is sine 60? Remember, root 3 by 2. So 15 root 3 by 2 sine 60. So AC is equal to 15 root 3 by 2. Now, so this we got this particular value. Now how about find? So this side is ready. So this is, now how do you find this? As far as B is concerned, is there any relation? This is adjacent side. What connects adjacent side with this? So cos of angle B is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is equal to BC by AB. Cos of angle B is 60. Cos 60 is equal to BC. BC is unknown. AB is 15, or BC is equal to cross multiply 15 into cos 60, 15 into cos 61 by 2, cos 61 by 2, that is equal to 15 by 2 or 7.5 units. So we got measurements of all the three sides, all angles are already found. So that's with question number 1. Question number 2 is again a replica of question number. So we will go for, okay, if you want you can try question number 2 also. In right triangle ABC, right angle at B, right, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, angle ACB is equal to 30 degree, AB is equal to 5 units. Find all the remaining angles and side. So the right angle triangle, right angle at B, AC, we will get this as 30, easy for instead of putting it over here. So ACB is equal to, AB is equal to 5 units. So angle sum property, angle A is equal to 180 degree minus angle B plus angle C, that is equal to 180 minus 120, 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. Now we have to find one by one. So this is missing, this is missing, this is given. Opposites, as far as this angle is concerned, opposites. So sine 630, the sine of angle C is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. That is sine of 30 degree is equal to opposite side 5. Opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC, 5 by AC. Or what is sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2, 5 by AC. 5 by AC cross multiplying implies AC is equal to 10 units. AC is equal to 10 units. So using Pythagoras theorem, if you want you can find this using Pythagoras theorem, or you can use cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is BC divided by AC. Root 3 by 2 is equal to BC. What is BC? BC is unknown, AC is. So cross multiplying root 3 into 10 by 2 is equal to BC, or BC is equal to 5 root 3. 5 root 3. 5 root 3. Now question number 4. Question is comparatively a good question. Comparatively a good question. Question number 4. Sine of A plus B is equal to 1. Cos of A minus B is equal to root 3 by 2. A is greater than B. Find A and B. So what is given is find A and B. So given, what is given? Sine of A plus B equal to 1, and relation number 1. I will put it, we will put it later. Cos of A minus B equal to root 3 by 2. What to do? We have to find A and B. Two unknowns are there, two equations are required. But what we know is that sine 90 is equal to 1. Cos of something is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Learn it by heart. Cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So what does this implies? Sine of something is 1. Sine of something, some bloody thing is 1. Some sine of something is 1. So we go back to the table. Sine of something is 1. What? Sine 90 is 1. Cos of something is root 3 by 2. Cos of something is root 3. Where is cos root 3 by 2? 30. At 30. That is what we are going to use here. Sine, it's a sine of something is 1, that means something a plus b is equal to how much? 90 degree, relation number 1. Similarly, a minus b should be equal to what? A minus b should be equal to 30 degree, relation number 2. We will solve these two, solve 1 and 2, 1 and 2. That means a plus b is equal to 90, a minus b is equal to 30. 2a, adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2, 1 plus 2. 2a is equal to 120, a is equal to 60. Substituting in 1, 60 plus b equal to 90 implies b is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, a is equal to 60, b is equal to 30 degree. So, that is the answer to the question. Now, the next one. Question number 6. Similarly, this is before question number 6, question number 5. Sine of a plus b is 1. A plus b is equal to sine of what is 1? Sine of 90. Similarly, cos of question number 5, I am giving the hint. Okay, a plus b will be equal to 90, and a minus cos of something is equal to 1, cos 0. So, a minus b is equal to 0. Solve for these two. Okay, now question number 6. Question number 6. Fine. Cos 30 into cos 45 minus sin 30 into sin 45 degree. So, what is cos 30? Substitute the value root 3 by 2 into cos 45 1 by root 2 minus sin 30 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2. So, this will be root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2, or root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Root 3 minus, okay, this is actually value of cos 75 degree. I didn't say anything, that's between, don't get scared of that. Second one is, we'll go for third one, 4 by 3 cot square 45 minus secant square 60 plus sin square 60 plus cos square 90. This is what we have to evaluate. Cot 45 is equal to 1. Sec 60. How much is sec 60? Reciprocal of cos 60. How much is cos 60? Cos 60. How much is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So, this is 2 by 1. Look at the table. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So, sec 60 will be equal to 2. Clear? Then sin 60. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 90 is equal to 0. Look at that. Just go to refer to the table. Cos 90 is 0. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Okay. So, now substituting these values. 4 by 3. What do you mean by cot square 45? It's same as cot 45 whole square minus sec 60. Avoid writing this step, this particular step, because it is understood, you take it as granted that you are supposed to write that in mind. Cos square 90 means cos 90. So, this is 4 by 3 into 1 by root 2. Oh, it is cot, not cos. 4 by 3 cot 45 1 into 1 minus sec square 60. Sec square 60 is 2. 2 square plus sin 60 root 3 by 2 whole square plus cos 90 0. 4 by 3 minus 4 plus 3 by 4. Simplify that. shall get the numerical value. Question number 4. That you substitute one by one values and check. I'll go for some better question. Question number 7. Find the value of x such that tan 3x is equal to sin 45 cos 45 plus sin 30 degree. So tan 3x is equal to sin 45 1 by root 2 cos 45 1 by root 2 plus 1 by 2. So tan 3x is equal to half plus half, that is equal to 1. So we can see that tan of 3x is equal to 1. How can you find this x? Tan of something is tan A is equal to 1. Where is tan 1? Where is tan 1? A is equal to 45 degree. A is equal to 45 degree. Refer the table. Go back to the table. Cos tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. Look at that. Tan 45 is 1. So learn it by heart. Okay. Learn by tan 45 is 1. So that means tan of 3x is equal to 1 means 3x should be equal to 45 degree. I repeat, tan 3x is given to be this. Substituting the value, I am getting tan 3x is equal to half plus half 1. That means tan of something is 1. That means that something should be equal to 45 degree. X is equal to 45 by 3, 15 degrees. Okay. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം question number 8. Question number 8. Verify that sin 60 is equal to 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. 1 plus tan square 30 degree. This is what is asked. This is what is asked. Okay, fine. 7th. So let us find out. Root 3 by 2 തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. Okay. So what is the value of tan 30? Table ഓർക്കുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ? What is it? മറന്നു എല്ലാവരും. Go back to the table and look at it. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So RHS is equal to 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. That is equal to 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by 3. So this is equal to 2 divided by root 3 whole divided by 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. Taking that reciprocal, 3 by 4. 2 will go 2 times, root 3 and root 3 cancels. So root 3 by 2, which is equal to sin 60. Now if you are very particular about proving that this is equal to sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, you can go back to our method. We have discussed that in the beginning, where we said that this part, trigonometric ratio of particular angles, we have discussed that about 60. Here we have shown that how sin 60 is coming to be root 3 by 2. You can refer that. Okay. Now let us go to question number next one. We can take question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9. First part. First or second part? First part. 2 sin 3x is equal to root 3. find the value of x. So this means sine 3x is equal to root 3 by 2. Now I am asking myself a question. Sine of something is root 3 by 2. Sine of something is root 3 by 2. Sine of something is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. What? Sine of what? Sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Sine 30 is equal to, just reminding, 1 by 2. Sine 45 is, if we hear this frequently, it will get, registered there in your mind. So sine 60 is equal to, this implies that 3x is equal to what? 60. X is equal to 60 by 320. Okay, so the same can be done with the next question. 2 sine x by 2 equal to 1. 2 sine x by 2 equal to 1. This means sine x by 2 equal to, 2 will come this side, 1 by 2. Now again, sine of something is 1 by 2. What? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. We know that, or we have sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. What does this implies? Implies that x by 2 is equal to 30 or x is equal to 60. If I put x is equal to 60 over, it will satisfy. Now there is a, okay, question number 10. You can just try simple questions. Root 3 sine theta is equal to cos theta. Find the value of theta. This means sine theta by cos theta. Root 3 sine theta by cos theta is equal to 1. What is sine theta by cos theta? We have tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 1. Or taking that root 3, that's a tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Theta is equal to tan of what is 1 by root 3? 30 degree. Question number 11. It's a very tough question. Okay, remember this question, often kids make fun of each other. They ask this question and etc cos 179 degree into cos 180 degree. Any idea of such a big, it's a ruthless question. Look at that. Cos 1, we don't know all these values. We don't know these values. I know cos 0, that is equal to 1. Cos 30 we know. Root 3 by 2. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 5. Sorry, 1 by root 2. 45, and cos 90 is 0. What? Here it comes. There it comes. What? Cos 90 is 0. Very good. You got the answer. In between this, cos 1 into cos 2 into, there are continuous numbers. How many numbers? 3 degree, cos 4 degree, etc. cos 10 degree. Somewhere in between 179 and 3, somewhere it is there. What? Cos 90 into cos 91 into etc. cos 100, etc. cos 179 into cos 100. This is the question actually. What about cos 90? Somewhere it is coming 0. So what is the value? This is cos 1 into cos 2. I don't know the values of this, but I know certainly the value of cos 90 is 0 into cos 179 cos 190. Whatever may be the value of the remaining, answer will be 0. This is a simple puzzle which kids often make fun of each other. Now, ABC is a right angle triangle, tan A. Find the value of, okay, question number 12. It's a good question, a normal, it's a standard question. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Find. First one, we will take one amount, we will go for the second one. First you do on your own. Cos A, cos C minus sin A, sin C. This is asked. So the right angle triangle, there is a right angle triangle. There is a right angle triangle. Right angle at B. This is A, this is C. right angled at P. Given tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. This implies there are two ways. You can use opposite side, etc. Without that, that was our initial method. Opposite side, from that find out the hypotenuse, and like 1 opposite side by this is 1, this is root 3, and find out this and find out. Instead of that, this implies A is equal to how much? A is equal to 30 degree. Why? Tan 30 is equal to 1 by tan 30 is equal to 1 by root. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 30, here it is. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So, tan 30 is equal, okay, so A is equal to 30 degree. So, this A is equal to 30 degree. If that is equal to 30 degree, what will this be? Angle sum property, angle C is equal, I know I don't need to write, but still I am writing 90 plus 30. This is equal to 60 degree for those who didn't understand. C is equal to 60 degree. Now what is asked? Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. What is cos A? Cos A is cos 30. Cos C is cos 60 minus, this is a beautiful answer, sin A sin 30, sin C sin 60, all the values are known to us. Root 3 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into 2, 4 minus root 3 by 4, answer is equal to 0. If you want, you can do that one first question also. It's all same, just substituting sin C cos C plus cos C sin C, same substituting. Okay, it's all the same. Now question number 13. 13 and 14 are not different question, it seems to be part of one. The altitude AD of triangle ABC in which A is obtuse and AD is 10 centimeter. If BD is equal to 10 centimeter, CD is equal to find determine angle A. So we need to form a, we will draw a triangle here. Obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. A is, it's an obtuse angle triangle. A and AD is the altitude, AD is the altitude, so this altitude, AD is the altitude, I can call it as, this is B and this is C. If AD is 10 centimeter, BD is also 10 centimeter, CD is 10 root 3 centimeter. Determine angle A. Determine angle A. What can be done? So in this I will take two triangles. First one is this triangle A, D and C. A, D and C. Right angled at this. I will call this angle as X. Angle A is equal to, let angle A is equal to X plus Y. This is X, and the other part, I name the other part as, this part as Y. So angle A is complete X plus Y. We need to find X and Y. In triangle ADC, angle ADC is equal to, is 90 degree hypotenuse. So AC is the hypotenuse. So as far as X is concerned, angle X is concerned, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side. This is opposite side and this is adjacent side. So I am going to take tan of X, that is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is equal to 10 root 3 by 10. 10 cancels, root 3. Tan X is equal to root 3 implies what? X is equal to 60 degree. X is equal to 60 degree. x is equal to 60 degree. Now similarly, we'll take the next triangle. In triangle ADB, angle ADB equal to 90 degree. Again, as far as y is concerned, this is opposite adjacent. Tan y is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, 10 by 10, that is equal to 1. That means tan y equal to 1 implies y equal to 45 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to x plus y, 60 plus 45, 105 degrees. Okay. So those are the questions of go through the homework questions and do those questions. These are all repeated questions. It's all same type questions which we have already done. From that, I will take question number 2, homework. Question number 2, 8.2, homework question number 2. Sine of a plus 2b is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos of 4a plus 4b equal to 0. This means a plus 2b is equal to what? Sine of something is root 3 by a plus 2b is equal to 60. Then a plus 4b is equal to what? 90, because cos of something is 0. From this you solve. How do you solve? Subtract 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, you get it. Okay.